है वतन प्यारे वतन, है वतन प्यारे वतन, पाक वतन, पाक वतन है मेरे।
हमें जो दुख दिया गया है उसका मिसाल तारीख में नहीं है, मगर हमें पाकिस्तान को कायम रखने के लिए अभी और कुर्बानी करना होगी। मुसलमान मुसीबत में घबराया नहीं करता। हमारे हौसले बुलंद है। अगर इसी तरह तमाम मिलत हिम्मत और सब्र के साथ काम करती रही तो हमारी ये मुसीबत इंशाअल्लाह बहुत जल्द खत्म हो जाएगी।
है वतन प्यारे वतन, है वतन प्यारे वतन, पाक वतन, पाक वतन है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन प्यारे वतन, पाक वतन, पाक वतन है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है वतन प्यारे वतन। तुझसे है मेरी तमन्नाओं की दुनिया खुलूं।
وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون।
और जब इन्हें कहा जाता है कि जमीन में फसाद न फैलाओ तो कहते हैं कि हम सिर्फ इस्लाह करने वाले हैं। सुन रखो कि बेशक वही लोग फसाद करने वाले हैं और लेकिन समझते नहीं। सूरह बकरा आयत नंबर 11 और 12।
Assalamu alaikum, this is Dan Qayyum from Pakistan Code Office. We're honored today to have with us Mr. Zaid Hamid, and he has a message for our readers.
Thank you, Dan. The message is very simple. Respect your country, honor it, dignify it, and if you have to pay any price, to keep this flag high. Do not hesitate. This is the only home you have. It's your test now. Do not compromise your honor and dignity on the altars of opportunity, on the altars of materialism, on the altars of compromises. We are passing through critical time as a nation. We have greatest of opportunities ahead of us. We have greatest of glory waiting for us. Have the courage and the faith that it is destined for us. But the destiny we need to create ourselves. The pen is in our hand and we have the authority and the ability to write anything we want to write. Do not miss this moment. If you respect this country, the world will respect you. If you honor this country, God and the nature and the cosmos will honor you. So do not miss this chance. No matter where you are a Muslim first and a Pakistani later. Your ideology is Islam, your identity is Pakistan. And this is what is going to give you glory. This is what is going to give you honor. Do not worry, do not be disheartened at what you see in Pakistan today. Before you construct a huge, beautiful building, you need to demolish the remains of the old ruins. So this is what is happening. But it is in our own hands. And inshallah, Allah willing, together we will achieve this fascinating destiny that this world will look towards Pakistan to see how great nations rise and how great nations prevail. Inshallah, this brightest of futures of Pakistan, be part of it. And there is dignity and glory enough for all. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
फूलों का सुहाना गुलशन तू नवारेज अनादिल का बहारे मस्कन रंगो आहंग से मामूर तेरे को दमन ए वतन प्यारे वतन ए वतन प्यारे वतन पाक वतन पाक वतन ए मेरे प्यारे वतन ए वतन प्यारे वतन वतन पाक वतन है मेरे प्यारे वतन है वतन प्यारे वतन पाक वतन है मेरे प्यारे वतन है वतन प्यारे वतन तुझसे है मेरे